Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a whipped cream dispenser. First, let's cover the basics. A whipped cream dispenser uses a small gas cartridge to aerate cream, creating a light and fluffy texture. It's crucial to understand its simple components and always prioritize safety. Before starting, ensure all parts are clean and correctly assembled to prevent any issues during operation. This preparation step is vital for a smooth experience. Now, let's talk about ingredients and filling your dispenser. For the best results, always use heavy cream with a milk fat content of at least 36%. You can also add your favorite sweeteners, like powdered sugar, and flavorings, such as vanilla extract, directly to the cream. Remember to fill the dispenser to no more than 2/3 of its total capacity to allow room for the gas to work its magic. Next, we'll charge and dispense your delicious whipped cream. Carefully screw one 8-gram nitrous oxide charger into the holder until you hear a hiss, indicating the gas is released. Then, shake the dispenser gently for about 5 to 10 seconds to thoroughly mix the gas with the cream. Finally, invert the dispenser, point the nozzle, and press the lever to dispense your perfectly whipped cream. Proper storage and maintenance are key to enjoying your whipped cream and keeping your dispenser in top condition. You can store any unused whipped cream in the refrigerator for up to 10 days. Before disassembling for cleaning, always release any remaining pressure by pressing the lever until no more gas escapes. Afterward, thoroughly clean all parts with warm, soapy water to ensure hygiene and longevity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.